How to change gender using FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp and either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. After the photo loads, you will see a variety of editing options at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the filters until you find the gender category. Tap on it to open the gender filter options. Here you will see different gender transformation filters such as male, female, and others. Tap on the option you want to apply and FaceApp will process the image and show you the result instantly. Some gender filters might be marked with a pro icon, meaning they require a subscription, but there are free options available too. If you like the transformation, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save the edited photo to your gallery. Now you know how to change gender using FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.